Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will continue the development of our web scraper, and in this tutorial we will search for our further tags. Okay, and let me open the notepad, and currently we are accessing these division tags. Okay, and now inside these division tags I will search for the figure. Okay, so just right here, let me remove this line for now. Okay, and here first of all I will loop through each row. Okay, so in each row we have multiple figures. Okay, and for this purpose I will use a for loop. Okay, and I will say for a row in rows rows. Okay, and first of all, now instead of writing here soup dot find all, I will say row dot find all. Okay, so row dot find underscore ALL find all. Okay, and first of all we need to define our tag name, and in this case our tag name is this figures. Okay, so let me make sure that it is figure or figures. Okay, so just inspect it. Okay, okay, so yeah, it's figure. Okay, so we need to write here, just copy this. Okay, so just copy this name. Okay, copy it figure and just paste it here. Okay, and it's a unique tag name, so we doesn't need any class reference to this. Okay, so and I will save these information in my figures figures keyword. Okay, so now this will also return us a list of figures. Okay, so as you can see here we have multiple figure. Okay, so in each row we have multiple figures, so I need to loop through each figure, and I think that it will become very difficult for our scraper to scrape each and every image in each and every row. So I will just extract the first two images of each row. Okay, so I will, instead of looping through each figure, I will say like for I in range range for I in range maybe 2. Okay, and this will extract the first two figures. Okay, and now inside the figures I will search, let me open the notepad. Okay, so inside the figure I will search for this image tag. Okay, with this class name. So here I will write figures figures. Okay, and then I need to define my I value. Okay, so I value dot, I will say dot find find, not sorry, find, and here I will just use the find. Okay, so as you can see here inside the figures we have only one image tag. Okay, so if I open this division, which one is responsible for our image? Okay, so let me inspect it again. Okay, so now as you can see here inside our figure tag, this is our figure tag, we have only one image tag. Okay, so I will just use here find method instead of using find all. Okay, so I will say find. Okay, and then I need to define my tag name, and that is image. Okay, and then I need to define my class name as well. Okay, so here the class name is again optional. Okay, so inside the figure we only have one image tag, so if you doesn't define here the class name, everything will work fine. Okay, but for good practices I will define my class name again here. Okay, and in this case my class name is this, so just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so now currently we are successfully accessing our image tag. Okay, and for now I will just print the content of my this image tag. Okay, so just write here print. Okay, and I will save it first in this img tag. Okay, so image tag. Okay, and then I will save image tag, print it. Okay, and I will also print a blank line as well. Okay, so just write here slash and slash n. Okay, in order to uh, get a visible output. Okay, so let's save it and just close this again, come to scraper, just refresh it, and let's search for maybe trws trees. Okay, and let's search it and see what we will get. Okay, so it's running, and yeah, we got our output. So if I maximize this thing, if I open the terminal a little bit As you can see here, we have our information of this image tag. Okay, so this is our image tag. We have everything, every attribute of this image tag. Okay, so here we will access now our source set attribute of this image tag. Okay, and now here, instead of printing all the attributes of our image tag, I will just print the source set attribute. Okay, so just search for the source set name. Okay, and yeah, here is our source set. So it is a srcset. Okay, so let's write here srcset source set. Okay, so let's save it again. Okay, and let's refresh this app. Okay, so let's refresh it, and let's give our key. Okay, so trws trees. Okay, let's search it, and let's wait for the scraping, and just let me open this terminal again. And yeah, this is our source set. So now currently we are just accessing our source set. Okay, so it's a very long source set. Okay, very long. And now in the next tutorial, I will actually break this source set into parts. Okay, in order to extract only this part. Okay, and we will do this process in the next tutorial, and I will see you in that tutorial. Till that point, bye bye.